music on trendybeats.com.
You are mighty God, mighty God. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Mighty one, one who sits high but looks way down low. Oh yeah, You are good, you are kind, you are more than these. Lost for words, trying to describe you. Elohim, Elion, Ale Shelevi. The greatness is all I've seen. There is nothing you cannot do. There's no mountain you cannot move. If you have said it, then you will do it. 'Cause you have a track record of keeping your word, and you're not about to stop doing it now. All over all over should be one lawful showroom. Should be lawful showroom. All over by the blood that you shed, we have overcome. This charge that acquitted for life, Then you gave us the right to your holy name. Yeah. The center of power and strength. There is nothing you cannot change.
My name is Amarachi Okorafor.
My name is Olaiwadi Badmus.
My name is Audrey Aja.
My name is Henry Ovich.
My name is Zara Macaulay.
My name is Olatunji Abdulamin Nelson.
My name is Azuma Kasham.
I am 7 years old.
I'm 8 years old.
I'm 9 years old.
I'm 9 years old.
8 years old.
I am 9 years.
Year 1.
I'm in primary 5.
Primary 2.
Primary 4. I'm year 4.
Year 4.
I'm in year 5.
Primary 5.
I am in year 3.
I've learned about Scratch and Spikes.
I learned about coding and the web, HTML and the web, and about Charles Babbage, the father of computer.
Coding is really useful. It helps us to learn how to teach programming. The full meaning of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to make websites and is also used to write a website. It's also used to style a website. Coding helps me. Like before, I don't know how to use a computer, but now
that they brought coding to this school. It taught me a lot about using a laptop and a system. The meaning of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to write a website.
I like coding because it makes me know more things about computers and how to press the numbers and the alphabets.
It teaches them new things to do and how to make a lot of things. Examples like sprites, games and animations.
I love coding because it teaches us about computers.
It is fun and interesting.
Coding is really fun. Like if you come to our school and start coding, it will be as if you don't want to leave.